Give me just a couple minutes and I'll show you guys how to change the engine air filter on your Mercedes C250, the 4-cylinder turbo. All right, today, so the tools you're gonna need, I think that's a T20 Torx bit and a flathead screwdriver. We're gonna loosen the band clamp for the air intake tube with the flathead screwdriver. Then you're gonna take the T20 Torx and you can see the screws that hold the air box on. There's gonna be, I'm thinking 3. I can see 3 right off the bat. I might be wrong. So we will loosen those.
Be very careful you don't drop the screws down in the motor like this dummy.
All right, careful not to drop that. Take your oil cap off so you can remove this center piece right here, because this is going to have to move back this way. Air filter, it's a CarQuest part, 83094 at the local auto parts store. Yep, looks exact. All right, should slide right in. Sit it back down in there. So, get ready to bolt her back up. 3 bolts go back in, or screws. All right, I'll go ahead and finish putting those up. Put those back on. There's our intake tube. So it only took a few minutes. I'll give you a closer shot. There it is. Torx there. Torx at the top there. And there's also one down in the back there. You can sort of see it. It's when you're doing it, you can see. So 3 Torx 20 bolts. We're gonna put our little band clamp back here and put her back together. All right, guys, that's gonna do it for this version of change your own air filter in your driveway. Right, buddy? That's right. On the Mercedes C250 4-cylinder turbo. Yeah, man. Let's get it, Gabe. Yep. All right, guys, we'll catch y'all in the next video.